with queso y Phoenix, Arizona. Philadelphia. Ag yn ffordd ar y pumed gwaith.
And I had to start again with just my children and my wife. I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. From the lakes of Minnesota.
It's only 1.3 square miles. The zero is sticking out at the Williamstown houses. The street name from the center triangular walls, an arrow pointing straight up. Bartoli insisted architect Richard Morris Hunt created.
facing lights. On my name, I'm monkeys fell down on Broadway. Even if it ain't all it seems, I got a pocket full of dreams, baby. I'm from New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made.
When I was driving, I was thinking of you. Every day the children, they were singing the tunes out on the streets, and you could hear from the side. You used to take the subway on a house in the third. I would wait for you and not try to hide. Love won't play any games with you anymore if you don't want it to. World won't wait, watch you shake, but honey, I don't blame you. Hell, I still love you, New York. Hell, I still love you, New York. New York. I remember Christmas in the blistering cold in the church on the Upper West Side. Babe, I stood there singing, I was holding your arm, you were holding my trust like a child. Found a lot of trouble out on Avenue B, but I tried to keep the overhead low. Farewell to the city and the love of my life, these we left before we had to go. Love won't play any games with you anymore if you don't want them to. Sweep as she, this old thing out the door. I'll always be thinking of you. I'll always love you though, New York. 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 New York, New York.
Oh, please, job in it. How do we know, boys?